as a cybersecurity expert, your major role is to protect organization, individual, and their data. Now, for you to protect organization, because organization have a lot of people that visit their websites, a lot of workers, a lot of goods and services, you need to apply a layer of control. And for you to apply a layer of control so that you can actually protect the organization, you need these three things. You need to know what we call switch. You need to know what we call router, and you also need to know what we call firewall. And that is what we are here to talk about. What is a switch? A switch connects different devices under the same network. So it means your computer, your server in your organization, your CCTV camera, your printer, everything, they are connected to what we call switch. And the purpose of connecting all of them to switch is because your organization want to be sending some data, sending for some file from one part to another, from one part to another. And that is all of them, they are connected to what? To switch. Let me give you a proper example. In your house, you have one particular big extension. That extension, it is where you connected your TV. It is where you are charging your phone. It is where you also connected your laptop. It is where you connected your fan and some other devices. Now, that particular extension is the what? Is the switch, because it is the one that is serving all of you. So through that switch now, you guys can actually communicate. So that is exactly how switch look like. Now, what can switch do in an organization? Number one is that switch can be used to send data from one device to another, as long as they are in the same switch. Then number two is that switch also help to locate different devices. That's number two. Number three is that switch prevent confusion and control our network properly. And that is why we use switch. Now, what can attacker do if they get into our switch? What can they do? Number one is that attacker can move laterally from one computer to another. Let's say, for example, in our organization, we connect about 50 computers to switch. Now, attacker now have maybe very small chance to enter into the switch. Attacker can now move from one computer to another. And as a result of that, it can spread malware into all our computers. So all the computers we are using in that organization can be corrupted. At that time, that hackers was able to enter our switch. So switch is usually used in an organization just to connect different computers, different devices for the purpose of what? For the purpose of sharing data and connectivity. So that is that about switch. Now, the second one we are going to talk about is firewall. Remember that all your computers, all your devices within your organization has been connected to the switch. So switch is like the access point to all your